अस्सलामु अलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। सहीहुल बुखारी हदीस नंबर 6018। स्पीक गुड और स्टे साइलेंट। Most people don't realize this, but huge part of the problem in our lives don't come from big actions. They come from small words. One sentence said at the wrong time can damage a relationship. One careless comment can stay in someone's mind for years. And the scary part is, most of us don't even think before we speak. We just react. And that is exactly why this hadith is so powerful. The Prophet ﷺ said, whoever believes in Allah and the last day should speak good or stay silent. Simple words. But if you really understand it, this one hadith can completely change the way you communicate. Notice something very important here. The Prophet ﷺ connect speech with faith. He doesn't just say, be careful with your words. He says, if you believe in Allah and the last day, then your speech should reflect that. Which means speaking is not just a habit, it is a responsibility. Because every word you say has an impact on people and is recorded by Allah. And that change everything. Because now it is not just about, do I feel like saying this? It becomes, should I be saying this? Be real for a moment. Most people don't hurt others intentionally. They hurt others carelessly through sarcasm, anger, gossip, unnecessary comments, trying to be funny at someone else's expense. And later they say, I didn't mean it. But the damage is already done. Because words don't disappear. They stay in the people's heart. You see this a lot in close relationship with parents, with spouses, with friends. We become comfortable, so we become careless. And sometimes the people closest to us are the ones most affected by our words. Today we live in a world where everyone feels the need to say something, comment on everything, respond to everything, share opinions on everything, especially online. And the problem is, not every thought needs to be spoken, not every feeling needs to be expressed, not every situation needs to your opinion. Sometimes silence is not weakness, it is a wisdom. And this hadith is teaching exactly that balance. The Prophet ﷺ didn't just say, stay silent. He gave two options, speak good or stay silent. Meaning, if what you are about to say is beneficial, kind, necessary, truthful in a good way, then speak. But if it is harmful, unnecessary, hurtful, just emotional reaction, then silence is better. And honestly, a lot of problem in life would disappear if people just followed this one rule. So here is something simple you can start doing. Before you speak, just pause for a second and ask yourself, is this good? Or is it just something I feel like saying? That one question can save you from regret, conflict, broken trust. Because many people don't regret staying silent, they regret what they said. This hadith is teaching us something very powerful. Your words are not small. They build a relationship or they break them. They bring hearts closer or push them away. And sometimes the most mature thing you can do is not proving your point, but protecting your character. Because in the end, not everything that can be said should be said. If you want more hadith explained in a real and a practical way, subscribe to the channel and share this with someone who needs this reminder. Assalamu alaikum.